guys, this is Dave with Southern Hammock Camping. We came out to Oak Mountain State Park on a Thursday afternoon. I've never camped on a weekday. I promised you a video on how to set up a tarp, and I got a little surprise for you. Using the same material from our previous videos, we took 3 Survive Outdoors Longer survival blankets and put them together to make this tarp. So we won't bore you with the setup. Once I get it all set up, we'll resume video and show you the features of the shelter we made. Okay guys, we wanted to show you a little bit more detail on how the underquilt cinches around the hammock. This is the underquilt setup. See how tight that is? No air gets in there. Of course, the hammock, I have a very large hammock. Alright, we'll do the tarp next. Okay, well this is our final setup. As you can see, one survival blanket on one side, taped together on another survival blanket, and then we cut doors to make a 4-season shelter. What you'll notice is we use, you see down here, we use our closures that we got from Walmart, little S-beaners, and then these we got from Academy Sports. And I don't know if you have a sports store like Academy in your area, but again, it's just standard tent stakes with reflective rope, S-beaner, closures, paracord. And I wanted to show you how we make the tie downs for it so that it doesn't tear the material. We take a piece of tape and ridge it here and put a piece of tape in it so that it doesn't stick to the rope. And then if you need to adjust it, you just tighten it with this. You can see it holds a pretty good angle. So on this side over here, I closed it in just a bit. It's not going to rain tonight, so I left it kind of loose, but you actually can close this all the way just to where your string's hanging out. But on the other end is my entrance. And I can just step inside there or loosen one of the straps and leave the door open, say in the morning. And then you can see the hammock in there. It's all heat reflective material. There's our underquilt and then our hammock. So next is put the bag in, and then we're ready to start cooking dinner.